Time is a fundamental aspect of life and plays a crucial role in various aspects of our existence. Here are some key reasons highlighting the importance of time. Limited resource. Time is a finite resource. Once it is spent, it cannot be recovered. Understanding and appreciating the scarcity of time encourages individuals to prioritize and make the most of the time they have. Opportunity. Time presents opportunities for growth, learning, and personal development. It allows individuals to acquire new skills, knowledge, and experiences. Opportunities often come with a time window. And being aware of this can help individuals seize the moment and make the most of favorable circumstances. Productivity. Efficient time management is essential for productivity. When time is used effectively, tasks are completed in a timely manner, leading to increased efficiency and effectiveness. Prioritizing tasks based on their importance and deadlines helps in achieving goals and objectives. Achieving goals. Time is a critical factor in goal setting and achievement. Setting realistic deadlines and working towards them in a disciplined manner increases the likelihood of success. Long-term goals are often achieved through consistent and dedicated effort over time. Personal and professional success. Success in both personal and professional life is closely tied to effective time management. Meeting deadlines, being punctual, and managing one's time well contribute to success. In various endeavors, time management skills are often valued in the workplace and can lead to career advancement. Quality of life. Balancing work, leisure, and personal time contributes to a higher quality of life. Taking time for relaxation and self-care is crucial for overall well-being. Time spent with loved ones and engaging in meaningful activities enhances the quality of life. Learning from experience. Time provides the opportunity to learn from experiences, both positive and negative. Reflection and learning from past events contribute to personal and professional growth. Resource allocation. Time is a resource that needs to be allocated wisely. Allocating time to activities that align with one's values and priorities helps maintain a sense of purpose and fulfillment. In summary, recognizing the importance of time and learning how to manage it effectively are crucial for personal and professional success, as well as for overall well-being. Time is a precious and irreplaceable resource that should be valued and utilized wisely.